Making money with affiliate marketing is very simple, especially if you have a website. And in the previous video that I made, I talked about the $9,000 challenge we're doing, and that challenge involves you using Temu or any other affiliate marketing platform and using Pinterest with it. So that process in that video would work if you have a website. If you've not seen that video, to pop in your screen now, you can watch it at the end of this video. You could see what we talked about in that particular video, the $9,000 Temu challenge. Now, make money, like I said, you need a website, and the website is because you need a blog, because when you have blogs, then you can have links in the blogs that people, when they click on it, they can have the opportunity to purchase anything that you're promoting. So that's why I'm going to review two websites. And these two websites I'm going to review are for free. You don't have to pay anything to use them, although they have paid plans. But I'll show you other ones that are not for free, in case you have a couple of dollars to invest in them. So the first one I'll be showing you is called Write.as. I'll leave the link in the description so you can check it out. Now this one is simple. You write a blog on the internet and impute your affiliate links, and then use the link of the blog you've written, put it on Pinterest, like I talked about in that video. But I won't be doing that here, just to show you this websites you could use to write your blog. One of them is Write.as. Click on pricing to show you that they have a free version. See here, free. And they have a click on pay monthly. They have a 9 per month plan. They have a 30 per month plan. You could use the free plan to begin if you want. Let's scroll down so you see that they have a personal blog. You can post 3 to 15 posts per day, which is very good. Then views per month, unlimited. You could monetize or have support to monetize your website. Self-promoted blogs. All right, it's possible for that free one, and all of that, right? So if you check out the pro version, these are all things for the pro versions. So you could kick off just starting out with the free version. All you need to do is just click on get started, and you wait for a bit. You put your username, put your password, put your email, and you sign up. Straightforward. I'm not going to do that here because I'm not trying to open another Write.as blog. But that's how you do it. If you write, or you can click on start a blog, you could make your blog as professional as possible and then drive traffic from Pinterest or from Quora or from anywhere you want to drive them down here, right? And then when they make a purchase, you get a commission, either from Temu, from Amazon, from Digital24, from ClickBank, from Divisus, from Aura Plus, wherever it is. You could use this if you don't have money to splash on a brand new website. Okay? But again, I recommend you having a website of your own because you control a lot of things that happen in it. If you don't know how to create a website, the video will pop up in the end of this video to show you how to create a website from start to finish. If you still don't know how to create a website after watching that video, then you could let us know in the comment section and we can help you build one for you for a tiny fee. But let's go ahead. This is one of them. The other one I'll show you is called Medium. Now, Medium is an awesome website that helps people blog. You click on get started. It's simple. Just have sign up with your Google account. Just click on sign up with Google, and it's free to use. Only thing with Medium is that you have to be very careful on how you impute the affiliate links that you put in there. This is what I mean. Let's say, for example, want to read about this, how 10 minutes a day can change your life. Let's click on that. I don't know what that blog is about, but let's see. You're here. It's going to open up, and if you want to make a proper video on how to use Medium, fully utilize Medium to make as much money as possible running an affiliate marketing business, let me know in the comment section. So this is Medium for you. All right. So you see the blog, and write a blog, and this one has a membership thingy. So the Medium, you can go to a point where people start paying you to be members of your community on Medium. So I can't read this completely because I'm not a member. Read story and all of Medium, right? So you could comment and all of that. That's Medium for you. If I want to write a blog, just click on write and wait for it to load up. When it's loading up, next thing you show me the portal where I can go ahead and write my blog. And the good thing about it is that, like I said, Medium is very Google friendly. So if you write your blogs and your blogs look good and you use SEO, what will happen is that when people search for you, it will pop up on Google, right? This is the title. You put the title of your article, then your story. But also, if you click a plus sign, you can add picture. All right, like your banner, your blog. And let's say, for example, you've typed all of this in, okay, and you want to add in your link. See this link button here? You click on it, put the link of your Temu link or your Amazon link, put it in here, and you're good to go. All right, now let me show you how you can also do this. I created a blog in the previous video using DeepSeek. All of those content, I can drop them here. I don't want this video to be too long. I want to make a complete video on how to build a blog, DeepSeek and Medium. Let me know in the comment section up on that video. But you could use Medium. One of them is free and is an awesome one to use. The third one you could use for free is called Blogger. All right, and Blogger is owned by Google and is a beautiful one that you could use to get started. I'm not much of a big fan of Blogger, but I know folks who are using Blogger to make enough cash monthly. All right, so you could jump into it, something you want to do. But Blogger is an awesome one. Okay, create your blog. Mini setup is free to use. Only downside is that your extension, your URL, would have the name of your blog .com/blogger, right? So the blogger extension will always be there. It's up here. Just click on create your blog. Create your blog. It's going to ask you to sign in, right? Usually you sign in using your Google because it's owned by Google. Then you could start writing your blog. It's quite easy. The idea of blogs is that you just need where you could put in a lot of information and stack in some links in there, some affiliate links in there. But those affiliate links have to be relevant to what you're talking about. So you can see it's asking me to sign to login. I don't want login. All right. I have several websites, so I don't need a free website or a free blog site. So that's pretty much how it works. It has a very good design. You can have, I mean, you can earn money with it, get paid for your hard work with Google AdSense. The reason why I prefer Blogger to all of them is that it's easy to pair up this site with Google AdSense, or with sites like Write.asu or Medium. You cannot really make money with Google AdSense using those platforms. But with Blogger, you can get that done. Now, I'm going to also show you some other sites that are not free but can help you build a full-blown website. Now, first of all, I'm going to show you Squarespace. Squarespace is a beautiful one. You could build a full-blown website. You can build an e-commerce website. You click on this, you could see this is their templates. They have really good designs. So if you don't have a lot of cash, you don't have cash to pay a website developer, you don't have cash for a lot of things, you can come on a website like Squarespace and build your site from scratch. It's not free. You have to pay. All right. You also have to pay for the hosting and all of that. But the good thing is that you have a drag and drop system where everything is almost automated for you. This is this templates. All right. I don't like this template, but it's just one of them. Okay. You could do a lot of tweaking. All right. As you've seen fit. The next one I want to show you is called Tumblr. Tumblr is another beautiful one. Tumblr is more like a social media platform where people, come share some of their ideas and whatnot. Now, Blogger is not a website per se, but it's a good place to get a lot of community, to build a community, right? And you see it here, it said communities, meaning that you can come on Blogger, sign up, and then create your own community. And when you create your community, what that means is that you have a lot of people following you. For example, you see this person here, this person has 268 people online. This has 1.8 thousand people online. This has 2,000 people online. This person has 1.2 thousand, meaning even they have, this is 1.1 thousand members. This is 1 members. So you could start by building your community, and because you're in charge of the community, anything can happen. You can put in affiliate links in there if you want. You can do whatever you want. But when it comes to putting affiliate links, you might not be able to do that on other people's community. You create your own community, build the followership. When you have the followership, and make sure community is based on one thing. I mean, in one niche. And once it's on that niche, people follow you because of that thing you're talking about. If you're talking about home and gardening, talking about child rearing, talking about weight loss, whatever it is you're talking about, make sure your community is all about that. As you grow, people follow you for that reason. Now, at that point, you can start referring people to affiliate offers or links, and you get commissions from them. All right. Now, the next one we'll be checking now is called Weebly. Now, Weebly is also e-commerce side of Squarespace. You can also come here and create a website. Now, again, like I said, this is not free. Click on pricing, you will see the pricing there. All right. Now, all of these websites, they are easy to use, guys. It's just drag and drop. Okay. Now, even if they have like a free plan, but I usually prefer, when I was using Weebly, is you go for this plan. All right, this personal plan is better because, in my opinion, you get to you get to connect a custom domain here. So I like it. This free one, you can connect a custom domain for this one, right? If you go down here, you see very few options here. Personal, you have a lot of options here. Professional, you have some options here too. So, in my opinion, you could go for either the personal or professional plan if you're looking to splash some cash on owning a brand new website. The good thing about having a website that is fully functional, not just a blog, is that when you have a website that does other things, maybe you have an e-commerce website that sells flowers, and then you have blogs on your website that talks about gardening or DIY or a indoor gardening. When you do that, your site is making money from your store, and you're also making money from affiliate marketing. Whenever you're building a store or website, please don't just focus only on affiliate marketing. Have something that the main website does, like the main home website. What is this website offering? What service or what is it selling? You're an e-commerce website. You're making money selling products on your website, and then you make additional cash, with affiliate marketing, or are you selling services on your website? You're making money on the side with affiliate marketing. So the question is, what is the main focus of your website? What is that thing your website is going to do to give you the general cash? Then affiliate marketing can be the side thing and eventually become the main thing. That's why I recommend you owning a website. Again, if all of this is rocket science to you, let me know in the comment section, and we could help you build a website for you, a professional website, optimize, and even go a step further in creating blogs for you, about 100 blogs. When we create our website, we also offer to create blogs, because with these blogs, your website get to rank, and with these blogs, you can get to drive traffic from Pinterest. Watching that video that I talked about from Pinterest down to your website, which will end up giving you money. 100 blogs can make you as high as $100,000, over a period of maybe say 3 months. And the good thing about it is that these blogs are for life. So the moment a blog makes you money today, the tendency that that blog would make you money for a long time is high, because the kind of blogs you write are evergreen blogs, are blogs that would last, that will always be of interest, not trending blogs that will go out of fashion or go out of interest. The next one I want to show you is Wix. Wix.com is another beautiful one, but Wix is not free. They don't have a free plan, but they have a kind of a more cheaper plan, $17 per month. But then when you tell you to start for free, they have a free trial for every of the plan you want to use. After the free trial, you end up paying for the plan to be able to use Wix. They have a lot of templates, beautiful templates. You could opt in for any of them and enjoy Wix. So the pricing is here. For me, I think Wix is a bit, in my opinion, I would use other options, not necessarily Wix, but Wix is also very good. I remember when I started website design, Wix was my first drag and drop website platform that I tried out. I got confused back then, but now I build my website from scratch. I don't use some of these guys. But if you don't know how to build a website, come here and use Wix. I can assure you, you would enjoy your experience with them. There are a whole lot of them out there, but these are the few ones I decided to show you. The last one to show you now is Ghost. Now, Ghost is also like a publishing site. Again, it's not free. Click on pricing. These are the paid options. Like I said, you have like a $9 to start. And the good thing is that you have some sort of like a membership when you create like a community. Which you can do that with Ghost. Now with Ghost, you can start with $9 per month if you want, and these are all of the things they offer. Although I will prefer $25. Per month. This is better because you have unlimited custom teams. You can have 1,000 plus integrations and build custom integrations, and you can have two people or two staffs using them. Now, this is a beautiful site to use, especially if you're big on blogging. You don't want to do anything else. You don't want to sell anything. You want to be solely focused on blogging, on your affiliate business, which is not bad. Then this is your guy. All right. You can also start for free. They have like a free trial. I think the trial is about 14 days, if I'm not mistaken. All right. You click on that. It's going to take you there, and you could decide to opt in to pay for them after the 14 days. It's completely optional to you. So these are some of the um, options that you could use if you don't have a website. I showed you the free websites, and these are the paid ones. Okay, and you could come here, put in your name, and sign up and get started. Trust me, you would enjoy Ghost. Right? I'll leave all of the link in the description below, so you can go check them out and give them a spin. If these are beautiful websites to get you started. Some of them are cheap, some of them are free, some of them are expensive. Just make up your mind on which you want to use, because nowadays, for you to make money with affiliate marketing, two things. One, you need a traffic source, and that traffic source we talked about in our channel, or we'll talk about in our channel, is Pinterest. All right, you need where you have to display your content, and this content is either like a blog or YouTube. These are the two options. So you either use articles or use videos. Use articles in the blog. If you use videos, you need YouTube. All right, and then you need a product. Okay, a product, and the product we talked about is Temu. Or don't use Temu, you use Amazon. If there is Amazon, you use ClickBank. There are all different options there when it comes to affiliate platforms. Most big companies have the provisions or have affiliate offers. So jump in them, you'll make some money. I hope this was helpful. If it was helpful, please let me know by liking the video, subscribe to the channel, leave your comment section. Just to help you build a website. And the website comes with 100 blogs and 100 optimized blogs for you. If you want us to do that for you, let us know in the comment section, and we'll in contact with you and tell you what you need to get place for the websites we created for you. If not, use information you find here and other videos in my channel to get more information on how you could get a blog for yourself, either free or paid, so you can make money like the rest of us by doing this simple task that I talk about in my video on a regular basis. Click on the bell button so you don't miss any of these videos. And if you're very serious about getting started off affiliate marketing, making ton of money by about $9,000, $1,000, regardless of your financial goal, then I recommend you watch this next video. And then when you're done with the next video, let me in the comment section what you think about this video and that video, and let's see the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.